baker sold bread made of sawdust mixed with flour. "It's a special European recipe," he told customers. His shop became famous. People loved the low prices. He bought a big house with the money. One day, his daughter got sick. "What's in your bread?" asked the doctor. "Special flour," the baker lied. The doctor nodded. "Like the sawdust bread you sold me last week? I gave some to your daughter. She has splinters in her stomach." The baker went pale. His lies had poisoned his own child. When you plant seeds of deception, you never know who will harvest the bitter fruit.